Hello Plonkers, Daft Scotch here, and today I'm going to talk to you about three things. Number one is my update on my Dukan diet. Most of my followers on my blog know that I've been on the Dukan diet since the 3rd of January this year. Very soon it's going to be 2.5 months, well it's just past 2.5 months actually, and I've lost 11 kilos. Which is 24 pounds. That's nearly 2 stone. 2 fucking stone! That's not bad going. Fucking A. I'm suitably chuffed with myself. I've got like 5 or 6 Ks to go, and then I'm back to the weight that I was when I got married. So, awesome! It's going very slowly now because I'm not being as strict as I was before. So I allow myself a little treat every now and then. So that is making it go slower, but it's also making me stick to it like most of the time. I don't feel completely deprived. You know, if I feel like something sweet, then I actually give myself something sweet. I might just have a fruit, which I'm not allowed on the Dukan diet at the moment, but I'll allow myself some fruit, dried fruit, or even like dip my finger in the chocolate spread just for that taste, just so that I can get that sugar craving away, and then it goes away. What I do see is that if I don't go to gym, the weight is maintained, so I really have to push the gym at the moment just to get that weight going again. Now the second thing is, you'll notice that I've got somebody new under my arm here, and she's just about to fall asleep, and her name is Lucy. Say hello to the Plonkers, Lucy. Say hello, Lucy. Hello, Lucy. Lucy is our new wee puppy, and we got her last week as a friend for Emma Pup, who was very lonely. She actually badgered the shit out of our poor cat Pickles, so we thought that she needed a wee friend to play with. So Lucy here joined our family, and she's very sweet, but don't let the looks fool you. She really gives Emma a run for her money and got quite a temper on her when she needs to. And then the third thing that I'm very excited about, that I'm sure a lot of bloggers are excited about, is the April A to Z blog challenge. Basically the rules are that you've got to blog every day with a new letter of the alphabet. So day 1 will be A, day 2 will be B, etc. Any fool could get that right. But it's finding out what you are going to blog about, whether you're going to have a theme, which I am, or whether you're just going to do like random shit, what I normally do on my blog. Yep, it's going to start on the 1st of April. It's no April Fool's Day joke. So come back and check it out, leave a comment, or link up and do the A to Z blog challenge yourself. And I'll come and visit you during that time and see what the progress is. So, Lucy Lou, before she falls asleep. Oh, look at the Lucy Lou. Puppy breath. Don't you just love puppy breath? I love puppy breath. It's so cute. Anyway, I'm getting distracted here. Right, so back to the vlog. That was a puppy yawn, I think. Your puppy yawn. Your puppy yawn. Oh, wee button. That's about it, I think. Ooh, Lucy Lou, Lucy Lou, Lucy Lou is about to fall asleep. Boo! It's a shame that wasn't really fair, was it? Sorry, Lucy Lou. Anyway, so cheers for now, Plonkers. Bye. Fucking A.